araw na ito po, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang West Edmonton Mall, kung gaano kalaki at gaano kaganda po ang mall na ito. So, let's watch this, guys. So, right now, inaayos na po kasi ng mall ang para po sa Christmas season. So, they are preparing for everything now this week. So, yan po, makikita nyo bakit meron na pong mga Christmas decors. Ayan. Dito po nagwo-work ang Tita Ness. Dito po sa mall na ito. So, ayan, makikita nyo talaga kung gaano kalaki. So, this is our Ice Palace po. Ito po ang aming ice. So, yeah, this is our ice skating ring. Yan po. This is really a big one. We also have a mini golf course po dito. Meron po kaming, yeah, this is like a golf course, but it's just mini. So, small one lang. So, makikita nyo po, ito po ay isang hotel sa loob ng mall. Nakadikit po itong Fantasyland Hotel. This is a big hotel and one of the best hotel here in Edmonton. Ito po ay, they call it Europa Boulevard. See, there's a boulevard inside the mall. As if para na rin po kayong nakapasyal dito sa amin, dito sa isa sa pinakamaganda at pinakamalaking mall dito sa buong Canada. Actually, this is the biggest mall in Northern America. So, makikita nyo that it is Scotiabank. We have 4 or 5 banks inside this big mall. And now, I will let you see the big ship dito sa mall na ito. Ayan. Tulad po nung isang beses na nag-vlog ako, pinakita ko po sa inyo ang barkong ito na nandito sa loob ng mall na ito. Meron ding submarine ito sa dito. There's also a submarine. And then, as you can see, this is yung ship po. Yan po yung ship po. Ng mga marine animals. Clap, 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 sabi. Napakarami pong nanonood. tayo sa loob. So, if you are planning to come here and visit this mall, hindi nyo po kayang libutin ito ng maghapon, just in case you want to shop in every stall that we have in here. It's really hard for you guys to finish everything in one day. So, papakita ko naman po sa inyo ang water park. So, one of the biggest water park here in Canada is this one. Napakalaki talaga, sobrang laki po nito. Pa rin tayo. And here is one of the biggest Lego store. Napakalaki po ng Lego store nito. Going to Galaxyland. This is a family-oriented place for the kids to play around with their mom and dad. We called it Galaxyland. Bourbon Street, where the fine dine-in restaurants are. Nandito po lahat ang mga fine dine-in restaurants. And as you can see, one na nandito is ang Boston Pizza, Japanese Village, Bourbon Street. Bourbon Street. And after Bourbon Street, punta naman tayo po sa food court. Yan, ang food court po dito, we have 4. Hindi kasama ang Bourbon Street where the fine dining restaurants are. So ito po ang thank you guys for watching. Sana po nabigyan ko kayo ng magandang tour dito sa aming West Edmonton Mall. At least now, medyo malawak ang nakuhanan ng Tita Agnes para po maibigay ko sa inyo at para na rin kayo nakarating dito sa aming lugar dito sa isang pinakamalaking mall na pinagmamalaki namin na we have it here in our town in Edmonton. So dito po nagtatapos ang pagbibigay ko sa inyo ng tour dito sa aming mall, and then thank you guys for watching and for all the support. Thank you so much.